Kangaroos with a taste for meat roamed ancient Australia. Imagine hopping predators with powerful jaws and sharp teeth, challenging our perceptions of these iconic marsupials. These prehistoric kangaroos, known as Echolotodata, lived around 15 million years ago and were unlike any kangaroos we know today. They weren't just grazing peacefully, they were actively hunting smaller animals and scavenging. Fossils found in Queensland reveal skulls with skull-crushing jaws, suggesting a diet that included flesh. This discovery flips the script on what we thought we knew about kangaroos, adding a fierce chapter to Australia's prehistoric saga. It's a reminder of how dynamic and unpredictable evolution can be, painting a picture of a world where kangaroos weren't just gentle giants but formidable hunters changing the landscape of their environment.